Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain classification of data and tabulation of data. Grouping of items or observations based on similarities. If we group the items or observations based on similarities, this is known as classification of data. If the human population can be divided into two groups, male or female, or educated or uneducated person. This is classification based on male, one group, based on female, one group, two groups, based on education, two groups. This is classification only. Plants can be arranged according to their different heights. So 10 centimeter plants, how many, 20 centimeter plants, how many, or we can give the range also. So we can make the groupings of those things. Consider one example, mango production under different places in 2005 and 6. So these are the different places, some districts, Chikmagalur, Chitradurga, Kodagu, Shumaga. In that place, total production, mango, million tons, 58,000, 34,000, 3,000, 32, 5,000, 32,500. So this is classification on the basis of geographical area. This type of classification is known as geographical classification. And so another example, population in India from 1961 to 2001. 1961 to 2001. So here from 1961 to 2001, this is a population, this is in crores. So here this classification on the basis of time. So this is classification is known as chronological classification. This is another example. Population can be divided into male and female. In the male, educated, uneducated. In the educated, poor, rich, like this. So this is based on classification on the basis of attribute. This is known as qualitative classification. So another one example, the height of a plant, 5 to 15 centimeter, 15 to 25 centimeter, like this, some groups, range. So here between 5 to 15, the number of plants are 2. Between 25 to 35 centimeter, number of 5 plants. 45 to 55 centimeter, 1 plant. This is known as classification on the basis of measurement. This is quantitative classification. So all these geographical, chronological, qualitative, quantitative are the types of classification. Classification definition. It is the process by which individual items of any data are arranged in the different groups or classes according to the similarities. This should be in the order, arranged order. Advantages. It reduces the bulk of the data. Of course, classification, statistics is a branch of applied mathematics which is defined as science of collection, classification. After collection, classification only. So here it reduces the bulk of the data. It gives an orderly arrangement of the items of the data. It indicates the point of dissimilarity and dissimilarity in the items of the data. It facilitates comparison of the characteristics. Coming to tabulation of data, it is the process by which the classified data are presented in an orderly manner by placing in proper rows and columns of a table. Proper rows and columns. That is important here. The classification is the first step before tabulation. Types of tabulation. Simple tabulation or known as one-way table. This is one-way table. With respect to one set of data, population, we made 3 groups here, UP, MP, MH. So this is one set of data, 3 variables are there. The table contains information pertaining to only one set of data, this is population, with respect to one or more independent groups. These are different groups. This is simple tabulation. Then another is complex tabulation. Here, data are classified and tabulated for more than one group of interrelated characteristics. It include following classes: double table, triple table, manifold, multi-way table. This is double table, two-way table. Here, this is one set of data here, characteristics, states. Another is gender. Based on state and gender, the population is classified according to two characters and tabulated. This is double table. Triple table, one more character. So one is states, another is gender, and third is education. So here data are classified according to three characteristics. The population is classified on the basis of three characteristics here. This is manifold or multi-way table. Here more than three characteristics. Of course, here one more added compared to previous. This is a rich status, rich or poor, that is added here. And here these things, status, these things are known as captions, the column headings. Captions means heading of the columns given in the first row of a table. Caption refers to a column headings. In the table, state, status, gender, educated and uneducated are the captions. These rows are known as stubs. Stubs means heading of the rows given in the first column of a table. This is the first column of a table here. This is headings of the rows. This is known as stubs. Stubs refers to row headings. In the table, UP, MP, rich, poor are the stubs. Thank you.